Nagpa-DNA test na ako sa dalawa, pero negative ang resulta. Hi Kuya Pao. Alam ko maraming huhusga sa akin kapag nabasa nila ang kwento ko, pero gusto kong ibahagi ang karanasan ko. Baka may matutunan sila o kahit papaano ay maintindihan nila ako. I'm not proud of what I've done, and to be honest, I'm scared. Eto kasi ang sitwasyon ko ngayon, sa dami ng nakalove ko, hindi ko alam kung sino ama ng baby ko. Everything started when I was trying to move on from a bad breakup. Sa sobrang sakit na naramdaman ko noon, gusto kong kalimutan ang lahat. I thought the best way to do that was to keep myself busy and distracted. Kaya halos gabi-gabi akong lumalabas. Party dito, inom doon, at kung saan-saan pa ako napadpad. I was meeting new people, flirting, and eventually, I got into this cycle of casual hookups. Pakiramdam ko, I was free.